Hello, kindergarten teachers. Well, I'm sure you're all ready to start another exciting report card writing season as we are here in the fall of 2017. We've been hard at work over the summer making Student Evaluator even more awesome. We took all the feedback we got in the last reporting period and applied it to a whole bunch of changes we made for you for this upcoming initial observations report, including the ability to do initial observations reports, which we just found out about a few months ago, so we made it happen for you. So you're all familiar with the interface, how it works, but we've changed a couple key things in this new report. So I've got a demo kindergarten class set up here, and I have John Smith ready to do a report. So we're just going to click on New Report. Now, a couple things that we are going to see right off the bat. The first thing is that we can now expand the report by frame. Now, this is the default that we had last report card period. Now we have the option to leave this unchecked, and it's going to create you a condensed paragraph of text with all the frames in it, instead of separating it out by frame, which is going to really help you with creating the initial observation report, because it is just one paragraph of text. Moving down to the evaluation table, you're going to notice some big changes here. And one of those changes is that now we have separate comments for key growth and next steps, which is a little bit different than we did last term. If you recall, you had to choose which one of those you wanted to focus on. Now you can focus on all three, which is awesome. And they all work really well together. So how we're going to evaluate the student is just based on a strength or a need for that particular initial observation. So our first one here for belonging and contributing, does the student demonstrate an awareness of their surroundings? Is that a strength or is it a need? So let's just say for Johnny, this is a strength. Now, for this overall expectation, we may not want to report on key growth and next steps. Perhaps we want to just look at growth and next steps. So you deselect the K to exclude it from the report. And the next question, does the student demonstrate an understanding of the natural world and the need to care for and respect the environment? We're going to say that's a need, because Johnny's not very respectful of the environment. But we want to report on a key growth and next steps for that particular overall expectation. And then we progress through the report, selecting the strengths and needs for all the questions that you've selected for the report. We have an opportunity for the initial observation to add an opening and add a closing. Now you can put whatever you wish into these text boxes, and then we're going to click on Generate. And as you can see, we have a condensed paragraph of text that meets all of the requirements of the initial observation report. If you're not happy with the text that's being generated, click on the Regenerate button, and it will automatically generate a new selection of text. One other great feature we've added this reporting period is that our system now tracks which comment you've used in previous reports. So you can be sure when you're doing Johnny's report in January that the comments will not be repeated. Each comment you're going to create will be completely unique. Well, we're happy with this one. Let's save and continue. And just like last term, you can select any of these Add Example buttons to add an example of that particular observation that you made. So just type in whatever you wish and click OK. And you'll notice now that that example has been added to the text. Once you've added all the examples that you'd like to, keep in mind, the character count down here at the bottom is always updating, so make sure you stay within the character count of your report card. Click on Save Report. It'll take you to that same summary page that you had last reporting period, where you can reread your comment, copy the text into the report card program, see the overall averages, and then review the questions that you asked for that particular report card. If you have any questions or if there's anything we can do to help, please email us anytime at support@studentevaluator.com. Thanks and have a great day.